Unlock hidden savings and slash your Costco bill with these insider tips on snagging those coveted coupons. First up, your digital gateway to discounts is the Costco website itself. Head over to Costco.com and look for the warehouse savings or coupons section. This is where they publicly list many of the savings available at your local warehouse. It's updated regularly, so make it a habit to check before you plan your shopping trip. Don't underestimate the power of snail mail. Costco still sends out their official coupon mailers to members. Make sure your mailing address is up to date in your Costco account profile. These mailers often contain valuable offers that might not be as prominently displayed online. Keep an eye out for them arriving in your mailbox. They're your direct line to great deals. For on-the-go savings, the Costco mobile app is your best friend. Download the official Costco app to your smartphone once logged in with your membership details. Navigate to the coupons or savings section. Within the app, you can often clip digital coupons directly to your membership card, which will automatically be applied at checkout when you scan your card. It's incredibly convenient and ensures you don't miss out on any available discounts. By combining these three methods, checking online, watching your mailbox for mailers, and utilizing the mobile app, you'll be well equipped to maximize your savings on every Costco run. Happy shopping and happy saving.